Hello dear students, my name is Rashida Nulwala and today we are going to learn Maths chapter number 10, telling the time. So let's start. Now students, telling the time chapter is divided into two parts, time and calendar. So let us first study about time. Students, time is measured in seconds, minutes, hours and days. We see time by seeing the clock. Students, just observe the face of the clock. The face of the clock is marked with numerals 1 to 12. The clock has two hands. One hand is long and the other is short. The long hand is the minute hand, it shows minutes. The short hand is the hour hand, it shows hours. Students, here the time shown is 2, or we can say it as 2 o'clock. Now children, let us observe clock A and clock B. In clock A, hour hand is at 2 and minute hand is at 12. So the time is 2 or 2 o'clock. Similarly children, in clock B, hour hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 12. So the time is 3 or 3 o'clock. So students, when the minute hand moves all the way around the clock, that is from 12 to 12, an hour passes. Now children, let us study how to read time in hour and half hour. Students, we read time in hours when minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 3. So the time shown in the first clock is 3 or 3 o'clock. Similarly, we read time in half hour when minute hand is on 6 and hour hand is on 3. So the time shown in the second clock is 3:30, or we say it as half past 3. Now students, here are some of the examples of clocks showing half past or half an hour. In first clock, the time shown is 10:30, or we can say it is half past 10. In second clock, the time shown is 7:30, or we can say it is half past 7. And in the third clock, the time shown is 3:30, or we can say it as half past 3. Now children, let us study about telling the time to the nearest 5 minutes. Students, when the hour hand moves from one number to the other, 1 hour passes. But when the minute hand, which is the long hand, moves from one number to the other, 5 minutes pass. Let us observe clock A and clock B. In clock A, hour hand is at 4 and minute hand is at 12. So the time shown is 4 or 4 o'clock. Now in clock B, hour hand is at 4 and minute hand is at 5. So the time is 5 minutes past 4, or we can say it as 4:05. So students, minute hand is on 1, it completes 5 minutes, on 2 it completes 10, on 3 it completes 15 minutes, and so on. In this way, minute hand takes 60 minutes to reach 12 again. The picture over here children shows us the minute hands move from one digit to next, which shows us that it completes 5 minutes. Now children, let us learn telling the time to the quarter hour. Children, we know that when minute hand is on 6, it is half past the hour. A clock can also be divided into 4 parts. Each part is called quarter, as you can see in the second picture. Children, each quarter is 15 minutes. When minute hand is on 3, it is quarter past 3 hour. When minute hand is on 9, it is quarter to the hour. So students, this was about quarter hour. Here are some of the examples about the clocks showing quarter hour. Now in the first 3 clocks, children, the time shown is quarter past 11, quarter past 3 and quarter past 10. Similarly, children, in the second part, the time shown is quarter to 3, quarter to 8 and quarter to 1. So children, this was all about time. Now let us come to the second part of our chapter, that is calendar. A calendar has days, weeks, months and year. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks plus few more days. February month has 28 days while other months has 30 or 31 days. Children, this was all about ordinary year. Now let me tell you one more thing, children, over here. Also, 1 year is equal to 12 months and total days in a year is equal to 365 days, which is also 52 weeks and 1 day. Now this was related to the ordinary year. Now let us see what difference is in the leap year. Children, everything remains the same, only the month of February has 29 days. So the number of the days becomes 366 days, which is equal to 52 weeks and 2 days. And children, a leap year also comes after every 4 years. So children, this was about ordinary year and leap year. Now children, how to remember days in a month? Now students, make a fist and start counting the month as shown here. If the month is on the knuckle, it has 31 days, otherwise it has 30 days, except the month of February. Children, you can count from any side, that is from left to right or from right to left. Now let us observe, children, the list of months having number of days. Months with 31 days are Jan, March, May, July, August, October and December. The months with 30 days are April, June, September and November. Month with 28 or 29 days is only one month, that is February, children. So this was all about, children, months and number of days in different months. Now let us, children, observe the month of December in the calendar and answer the following questions. Now the question number 1 says, how many days are there in this month? So let us observe the month of December. Children, as we know that the December month has total 31 days. So our answer will be 31 days. Question number 2 says, give 10 days after December 12. So children, if we count the days after December 12, so we count from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So our answer is 22. Children, the third question, how many Fridays are there in this month? So children, let us count all the Fridays in this month. There are total, children, 4 Fridays, which has date 4, 11, 18 and 25. So children, there are 4 Fridays in December, in this December month. So children, this way we can observe any month and we can give various questions, various answer to the given questions. So children, this was all about calendar and time. I hope children you liked the video and enjoyed the video. Thank you.